We will see in this video the great interest of multi-resolution and of the low poly mode developed by QUIDAM. But first, let's see quickly how to customize your character, as QUIDAM has no competitor when it comes to metamorphosis. Choose a base, and in no time you're customizing your character at your will. You can choose among the numerous available anatomical parts and props to create a character that looks the way you want. There are several propositions for hair, feet, legs, eyes, noses, etc. When your composition is ready, you can adjust proportions in a very intuitive way. Here, she gets taller. And you can get the pose that you want. Change the symmetry, move a bone, turn it. This is very natural. Place the arm and the hand how you want. Okay, and now we're going to use the very powerful sculpting brushes to reshape your character as if it were clay. May we remind you that on top of that, thanks to its powerful and advanced low poly modeling extension, QUIDAM offers a unique feature, readying in no time your creations for games and real-time viz. When this is done, you can choose the resolution of your choice. Level 0, 1, 2, note that the mesh is displayed. Third level, there are different levels of subdivision. It is that easy. In one click, the low poly cage of your model is reshaped and your character conforms to the shape it would have had being subdivided. Seen from far, the character is very similar to its subdivided kin, and with a very low polygons count, your character is perfect for real-time viz, ready to be multiplied in order to populate your games. The low poly access plugin doesn't come alone. It adds a lot of very powerful R&D features, like this soften accent tool. It lets you adjust geometry, stress the reliefs, or soften the selected part. It can be used as a standard soften accent tool, but it relies on a special algorithm which allows the user to go way beyond. Actually, it acts as a kind of differential offset. It may be very useful for fine adjusting 3D scan objects after decimation. As any pro modeler knows, a 3D scan yields millions of triangles, generating a very heavy geometry which needs to be reduced, that is to say decimated. With this tool, you can import highly decimated shapes, smooth them using any level of subdivision, and reshape it to its original contours by moving the slider to the left. In very low poly, some props may not fit perfectly to the body. Just click on them and move the slider, which appears on the right of the LP icon, and simply move it, like that, until you get what you want. Two new levels of subdivisions appear, the LP one we've seen before, and the O level, which lets user export the rough control cage, that is the basic polyhedron, to retouch it more easily in a third-party modeler, for instance.